Can you record the sound of your tummy, please? Okay. Okay, so this is a thing. It kind of crosses lanes with vore. For me, I don't like that. I think it's weird. I think it's even more weird that you're messaging some random dude on the internet asking them for that, let alone not getting to know them first and then taking them out for a meal so you can at least hear them digesting the food you just treated them to. If I was a pregnant woman, I know, right, plot twist, I wouldn't want to be around people like that, and I don't need to explain why I don't want an ear print next to my belly button.